Let's compare the air fryers on the Instant Pot, the Beelicious Pro, and the Instant Vortex. Now the Instant Pot is actually a pressure cooker plus air fryer. It has the smallest air fryer container, but it provides so much more, and I mostly use it as an Instant Pot. The Beelicious is only an air fryer, but that is not limited only to air frying. You can bake and roast and dehydrate with it. It is amazing. Same with the Instant Vortex. Now let's test all three with some French fries. Basic shoestring French fries. Now with the Instant Pot, I can't put in too many. If you put too much in an air fryer, you won't get the crispiness you're looking for. So you really want to keep it light and even with how big the drawer is. And then I turn these all on. With the Instant Pot, the one thing that's nice is it is real buttons, but you also have to hold down the plus until you get to the right button, and you have to press start or it all cancels. With the Beelicious, it's a touch screen. It has a fries button, so you can just press the fries button and you can have it remind you to shake. The Instant Vortex will automatically remind you to shake. Just click air fry, choose your time and temp, and hit start. Very clean to use. I would say this is the most straightforward of the three to turn on. Now they're all ready to go. They do preheat for a little bit and then they'll start cooking. I did throw the fries in all of them before they were preheated. I had to pull the Instant Vortex first, mostly because it didn't have that many fries in it, so it cooked really, really fast. Then I pulled the Instant Pot, and then I pulled the Beelicious Pro. And all three made really delicious fries that I'll show you one at a time. Now with the Instant Pot, again, it provides a lot more than air frying, and the main thing I love it for is pressure cooking. So if you want one device that does it all, this is it. Just know that the air fryer portion of it is tiny. Not great for a family of 4, but the fries are fantastic. They got that great crispiness, really nice. With the Beelicious Pro, it is a beauty. I really love how it looks. I love the clean touchscreen and the shortcuts for fries and steak, and the fries that came out of it were very comparable. Couldn't tell a difference. Instant Pot is my favorite for a family of 4 just because it is larger, and it did cook the fries a little more, but I think it's because the drawer was so big to how many fries I put in it. I really couldn't tell the air fry difference between these three, so it's all about size. Which one would you go for?